Hello everybody, in today's video I'm going to show you how to use Trello on PC. Managing tasks, deadlines and project can quickly become overwhelming, so that's where the Trello helps in. Trello is a visual project management tools and use boards, lists and cards to help you organize everything in one place instead of messy notes or scattered spreadsheets. Trello gives you a clean drag and drop system that makes workflow simple and visual. And in this complete guide, I walk you step by step through the creating an account, understanding the dashboard, creating boards and lists, managing tasks with cards, using automation, collaborating with teams, customizing and optimizing and workspace. Let's begin from the very start. First, in order to access to the Trello on the PC, you need to first open to your PC or the laptop and open any of the web browser, Google Chrome, Microsoft Edge or the Firefox. And in the top there we can see there's an address bar. Type down trello.com and enter it. And you'll see this option for this login, sign up, templates, pricing, features. What you can do is you can simply sign up for the email in Trello for free. You can type down your email and select to this sign up for free. And again, select to this sign up here, or if you want to continue with Google, Microsoft, Apple or the Slack on Trello, you can do that as well by simply selecting it. And if you already have an account in Trello, you can select to this icon here and you'll be directly logged into your Trello account. And after that, select to this sign up. Over here, it will ask you also what brings you here. In order to proceed to the Trello sign up, you can select any of this, or if you want to skip, you can skip as well. Continue. And over here, it will also ask, and Trello will send you a verification email. What you can do is go to the new tab on gmail.com and look for this Trello here. What you have to do is, this is the verification code. Simply copy this verification code and go back to the Trello and paste it over here, and it will automatically get into this interface of your full name and the password. Type down your full name and create a password. Select continue. Over here we can find this your to-do list. If you want to add a card, you can do that as well, and go to this next icon here, and it will also ask you inbox. You can start using your Trello over here by selecting start using the Trello as well. So let's understand the dashboard. When you first log in, you'll see this main dashboard. Over here we can find this, and it will also give you a descriptive start on how to use the Trello. And once you get into this interface of the Trello dashboard, let's break it down. The workspace. A workspace is like a main container where your board lives. Over here, for example, your personal workspace, office workspace, study workspace. You can create multiple workspaces depending on your needs. And in the boards is this Trello board here. Board are where the actual projects are managed. Think of a board as a whiteboard for one specific project. Example, YouTube content planning, exam preparation, client project management, daily task tracker, and each board contains a list and the cards. And creating your first board. In order to create one, what you can do is select to this create in the top here and select to this create board if you want to create a board. Over here, you can enter a board name, example content, and you can also select to this visibility how you want it for the private, workspace or the public. Because I'm going to select to this private here, and if you want to start with a template, you can select to the start with a template, and you can choose any of the template that you like over here, and you can also explore the more templates if it's not enough for you. As I'm going to select one of the templates, and it will automatically add it to your card, and select to this create here, and your new board will open instantly. And inside your board you see a vertical columns here. The list represents stages of your progress, your common examples to do in progress completed. You can rename any list by clicking to its title over here and type a name, add a list as well. Example workflow for a student is topics to study, studying, completion, and keep your structure simple and clear. In order to create a cards are individual tasks inside a list. To create a card, what you can do is to click any of the individual tasks inside here. I'm going to select one of this, and over here once you overview in this dashboard, what you can do is select to this add plus icon, and you'll find this add to card. You can label it, you can put down your dates, checklist, your members, attachment, location, and the custom field as well. And each card is clickable and contain the detailed setting. And over here, once you click into the checklist, this is a give it a title. It breaks big task into smaller steps. Example, write script, record footage, add background music, export video. You can mark each item complete, and the due dates over here. You can set a deadline. Trello will remind you before the task is due. As I'm going to select one of the due dates. If you want to change the date over here, you can change, or you can also manage your time and your date. You can also select your recurring, again looping, or if you want to set a due date reminder, you can do that as well. And after that, you can simply select to the save on the bottom, and it will remind you on the checklist. And in this label, it uses the color coded labels like urgent, high priority, client work, personal. Labels make scanning easier. And in this attachment over here, we'll find this. It attaches the file from your PC, Google Drive files, links, images, and everything related to the task stays inside the card. And the comment here, in this comment, team members can comment for the discussion, example, the review before this approval as well. Over here on the top, there's an automation. You can click automation at the top. Automation allows you to create rules rules. Example rules: when a card moves to done, it marks due date complete. And when due date is overdue, it adds a red label. And when new card is created, assigned to you automatically, and this saves manual effort as well. And over here we can find this. There's a power ups. Power ups add extra functionality. Example include calendar view, Google Drive integration, time tracking, Slack integration. And to enable it, you need to select this and go to you. And a menu will pop up here. Select this add power up, and free accounts allow limited power ups per board. Over here, in order to invite a team member, you can select this share in the top right. To collaborate, you can click onto this, enter the email of a friend, and choose the permission level to the admin here. Member or the observer, you can also select to this. You can also go to your admin here. You can be a admin, member, observer, or the lead board as well. And after that, you can select this share, and your team can edit, comment, and manage tasks. And in the top again, we'll find this notifications, and in this, you can control your email notification, desktop alert, due date reminders, adjust them accordingly to your workflow. If you want, you can toggle it off as well. And over here, we can find this three dot icon. Once you click into this three dot icon, it will allow the notification email frequency, periodically, never, or the instantly as well. And archiving and deleting items. To archive a card, you can open to this card, or you can simply select to this three dot icon of a card and move to this archive this list on the bottom, or archive all the card in this list. Archive items are hidden but not deleted. To delete permanently, you need to archive it first, and then you can delete it. And for the pro in the top, you can find this 14 days left as you are just signed up. But for the productivity tips, don't create too many lists, use labels wisely, archive completed tasks weekly, keep description detailed, use automation for the repetitive steps, review board every morning. And the next thing is to Trello help and support. Trello help and support is designed to assist users with any questions, technical issues, account management, or features guidance. Whether you're a beginner or business owner, Trello provides a structured help platform system through a help center, community forums, and support. And there are multiple ways to access your Trello hub. What you can do is in the top right, there's your profile icon. Select there. Once you reach into this profile icon interface, what you can do is select to this help on the bottom here. And on this inside the help center, you'll find the organized category as well. Over here, you can also navigate to this and what reason you want to contact support, as I'm going to select one of the reason. And you can also select to this find the URL over here. But if you want to contact to this Trello support directly, if you cannot find the answer in the help center, choose the issue category, example technical issue, billing, account issue. In the top there's a contact us. Select to this contact us here. And you can either ask for the community or find for the URL as well. And Trello ensures that users can resolve issues efficiently while learning the platform effectively. And using Trello on PC is simple. Once you understand the structure, workspace, boards, lists, and cards, it is visually flexible, beginner friendly, and powerful for the both individual and the teams. And once you start using it daily, you'll notice the better organization, clearer deadlines, improved productivity, and the reduced stress. Thank you for watching this video. I hope I could help you. If you have any confusion or queries, please comment down below, and we will reach out to you very soon.